Okay, we're going to start by writing the rule, the piecewise definition for this graph. Notice it has two pieces, so we're going to write f of x equals and then have an open brace and leave room for two rows, one for each piece. So let's start with the piece on the left. So that's a horizontal line at a height of 2, so its equation would be f of x equals 2. And for its domain, it looks like that piece covers x values from 0 on down to negative infinity. So we can say if x is less than or equal to 0. And then let's look at the piece on the right. So that's a horizontal line at a height of negative 1. So its equation would be f of x equals negative 1. And for the domain of that piece, it looks like it starts at 1 and goes to the right, but it doesn't include 1. So that would be if x is greater than 1. Now for the domain of the entire graph, we're going through x values from negative infinity to 0, and we're going through x values greater than 1, but we're not going through anything in between. So we need to break this into two intervals. So we have negative infinity to 0, with a square bracket on the 0 to show we're including it, union 1 to infinity, with a round bracket on the 1 to show we're not including it. And for the range of the function, it only passes through two y coordinates or two y values. It passes through a height of negative 1 and it passes through a height of 2. So we're just going to make that a list using set notation.